sweet friend, and welcome back to my channel. This is Vlogmas 2023, and today I want to talk to you about all things DIY on a frugal budget. If I could do it, that means you could do it too. And don't mind the mess in my home. This is real life. This is how my house is most of the time as a working single mom. Life sometimes can get messy, and I hope you find this video relatable. Usually I edit and show you the before and after, the cleaning motivation that my channel is all about. Cleaning motivation, homemaking, housekeeping. We talk about a little bit about everything. But today I just want to let you know what plans I have for 2024. I want to show you the DIYs that I built and did, like this fireplace, as well as the laundry room wall makeover upstairs, because the rest, plumbing and electricity, I cannot do, at least not yet. But let's talk about my plans, and I hope you're interested in hearing, and that you hit the subscribe button, you like, you share, and you comment down below ideas. Give me ideas, because the struggle is real, and I'm about to show you exactly where. But before I walk you into the messy part of my home, which is the heart of my home, let me show you this fireplace that I recently built. Let me flip you around. I recently finished this fireplace. That unit is from the Facebook Marketplace. And I hope you feel inspired to build or to do. For example, this was an old ornament that had broken apart. Where's the guilty person? It wasn't her. It was the other German Shepherd that we have. She's very old. We have two older dogs, that one and that one. And we keep those blankets on the sofa because of the dogs. But Matthew wants to get back into his video game, so I'm gonna do this quick, this part of the house. So that I rebuilt. So if I could do it, you could do it too. I'll link all those videos down below. This is my latest 2023 project, and I am so proud of it. And I usually don't say this too much to myself. I'm very proud of it. So let's talk about what else I want to do here. So I want to keep that there because the dogs, they go there. The two German Shepherd, because they're the ones that shed, not allowing the sofa, they go there. Luna, she's so old. Sometimes she thinks she cannot jump from there to there. But this is what I want to do. I want to do built-in on that side. After Christmas is over, I'm going to do built-in storage. And then I want to do floating shelf. Now, let me know in the comments down below, knowing that I'm going to leave that there for the dogs because they need a space. If you are a love pet owner and you love pets, you'll understand why they need a place, why it's not a choice in this house, but a need. But let me know if you think that over there I should also put two floating shelves. See this village, this house village? I would love next year to have it displayed there. So perhaps people that are coming out from the street could see it. So that's one project that I want to share with you. Now, flipping you around, this door, 2022 project, I brought back alive. And so don't ever think that an old door cannot be repaired, because it can. You could do it. Now, a quick project I want to do here in this room. Now, this is another 2023 project that I did on a super frugal budget, and I love it. It's so chic. It elevated the space. Now, that mirror is there. I know it's not the right size. I know it should be taller. But I just right now don't have another place where to put it because I took it down from where it was. But this right here, I want to finish on a different color or something. I'm thinking the middle part should be gold and the outer part should be black. Let me know what color you should think I should paint the radiator cover. That's another DIY that I did that is actually a yoni steam that right now is holding my jasmine plant. It gets too cold here in Jersey, so in the winter I have to bring her inside so she could bloom beautifully during the spring. So let me now take you to the messy part. Before I forget, over here, see, this is what I was telling you about in my video, the problem that all houses have. Here, we are going to put those lights all over here. So 3 more here and 3 more over there. Because look at this, without that light, this is very, well, I meant to do the opposite. But this is very messy. This is very dark. This is a very dark place. See, that light is just truly not enough. It's not enough. So again, sorry for the mess in the house, but this is real life. All right, so let me bring you over to the most messy part of this house. Over here, there used to be a wall. Okay, this is a very old house. They believe that everything should be in section. I tore this down, and sadly, this is what we got going on. Now, this plan was to fix this very quickly until the pipes upstairs broke. And what that meant is that we had to address the bathroom upstairs first. So here's the deal. You probably hate all that, and so I hate it too. But let me flip you around and tell you that I love to cook. I love to bake. I love to host. And because of all that, I'm very aware of the damage that we could cause to the earth. And a lot of people that like to host and cook, they use, when they have a gathering, they use paper plates and paper cups, and they dispose the aluminum tray, dispose of that, right? And I'm the opposite. I try to collect things that I can use again and again and again, so we are not creating more residue on the earth that is necessary. And with that, saying all that is that I need a lot of storage, and storage in this kitchen, it's a problem. So I really need your help. This is not a big kitchen, and the only reason I have this china cabinet that is up for free on the Facebook Marketplace. So if you live in New Jersey and you're watching and you want it, send me a message so you could come grab it. But let me turn you around and tell you first what's my plan for this. The plan for this dining room 2024 is I'm gonna start by building a pantry right here. And it's going to be a wall, and I'm gonna enclose the refrigerator. And this is gonna be a pantry where you are not gonna be able to see, because it's gonna have 2 solid doors. On that side, I wanna make a counter with shelving on top, and the reason they're going to be closed shelf is because I have dogs, and the amount of hair and dust that flies is everywhere. So I don't want to have exposed coffee mugs when there's a lot of stuff going on in the air. So I want to make that a counter and shelves, and that'll be our coffee section, and I think it's going to look adorable. With that, what's gonna happen, this is where the mirror used to be, but I couldn't stand the reflection on the kitchen because, as you saw, the kitchen right now looks awful. So if I do that on this side, then what's going to happen, this is not gonna be here, and this is going to be open. And I'm just gonna have the table here, and the goal is to open this up, open it all the way up until here, because this is where the main beam runs. And then I did this, I don't like it, I'm changing that. We are going to put 4x4s to hold the house, and we're gonna close this. I'm gonna close this entrance, so when you come in, you are going to be able to see the dining room part, but you're not gonna be able to see for the kitchen. We are going to clean all that. We are going to put the same lights that are over there by the fireplace, okay? So we're gonna clean all that. We're gonna fill it up with all that lighting, and we are going to just put sheetrock on. And that's how that's gonna go for the ceiling. And once we address that, we'll be able to tackle the the walls and the cabinets. Now, here's where the struggle is. I am thinking of taking down the sink from there and building over here a peninsula. It's not an island because an island it's usually by itself attached to nothing. When you create a peninsula, it means that it's gonna come from here. So the peninsula will end right over here with the sink, with a little counter for some high chairs. Let me know what you think. So this will be the height. We could still see who's coming in and out. This will be the height with a couple of chairs, maybe 3 high chairs, and the sink on the other side. Okay? Again, this wall, I'm closing this wall. Then for these cabinets, that I'm taking out because I'm gonna have plenty of cabinets somewhere else that I built, that I like. That's the rack that I built for my spices. This is going to be more shelving because we're gonna enclose this mess. I am going to also enclose the stove range over there. Maybe also try to figure out if I can put some trays or whatever in there. And if I take the sink from there, okay, I am going to have more counter space. And I need counter space to cook. And also over here. And all this is gonna get replaced. And the shelves over here, it's also gonna go to the top. So that's the idea, and this floor is coming out. I am going to end up polishing all these floors, and the finish is going to be all the same. So that's one idea, to move the sink over here. Now you see a dishwasher there. We don't use the dishwasher. We wash my hands, but I am contemplating under the sink over here in the peninsula, put the dishwasher. So let me know what you think. And also another project for 2024 is to refinish this wall. Going into the bathroom here, and I already bought the paint, and this is probably the first video you're gonna see. I am painting this white because this color is too dark, too moody. I don't like it. And I'm going to build floating shelves. And I think that's the only upgrade I want to do over there. And I also need to figure it out, the heating system, because this gets really cold in here. Now I'm going to take you upstairs, show you the laundry room. It's a mess because my daughter's doing laundry. And I'm going to show you the work in progress before we attack the kitchen of the main bathroom. Yes, I went to Home Depot. We bought the sheetrock. We already got the insulation. So I'm pretty sure we could finish this bathroom by January. I say we because I am going to put the insulation, but I have my handyman neighbor who's amazing. Shout out to Kiko, who is doing the rest. And I am so grateful for his life, and I cannot wait to show you the final product. But right now, I'm going to show you how that looks. This is the wall that I did this year. This project we finished this year. There used to be Matthew's closet here. We took down the wall. But the one update that I want to do before we finish the bathroom is I want to build thick floating shelf, because when I put all the detergents here, you see what happened? It's bending. So before he closes everything in the bathroom, I want to put floating shelves there. I don't use that too much, so I want to take that out. More floating shelves, more floating shelves. Bathroom, that's a work in progress. Sneak peek. The shower, it's already there. I know it's dark, but this is gonna be the closet, and I am super excited for this bathroom. One more project we have to do. Don't mind Matthew, he's just chilling, and this is like a drop zone for all the things in the bathroom, but we still have to close this door. We used to be for Matthew's room. I want to close that door, and what Matthew wants, he wants me to build floating shelf for the Legos, and he wants me to build an L-shaped desk so he can continue to build all this beautiful stuff. He's a teenager, but you know that Legos, even adults do it. And then here, this is where he has his TV. I want to build him 2 little shelves here with a door so he could put his clothes and hang his coats and hang the TV just like he has it there with the video game. And so it's basically a closet where the TV in the middle. And that's we're going to where my cousin is staying. And this is how it looks. This used to be my middle son's room. It has become another drop zone, but this is reality. That window that has 2 glasses, 1 broke. I need to repair that, but all these patches, I've been patching the wall, and I just have to, real simple, just sand, paint, and that's it. Make it cute. Nothing much. I think I'm gonna leave that exposed, but this, more patching. This is going to be simple. Basically, keep patching, sand, and paint. All right, friend, there's one more big DIY that I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to accomplish in 2024. Why? Financially, not sure. Is the porch. The porch is falling apart, and this year, what we did before, was it this year or 2022? I can't really remember, but I try to cover it. No, I think it was this year, early February, I think. I have the video. I covered the porch, the broken windows with plywood and plastic to protect it. But honestly, all that needs to get rebuilt. And then I cannot show you because it's really dark right now and it's pouring rain. And then in my backyard, 2023, I do need to put a new liner on my above ground pool. I'm gonna try to build the ladder out of 4x4s. And then for my garden, I also want to enclose that because of my dogs. So anyhow, all this to say that I have a lot of projects that I want to do. And if finances permit, and if the energy permits, I am going to tackle all that in 2024. Some of them are going to have to be carried over to 2025. But I hope you're here for it, and I hope you're enjoying this Vlogmas. If you are, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below with your ideas, anything that you think I can upgrade. And yes, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being my friend. And I hope so far you are having a wonderful, wonderful December. Now, don't forget, this is December, where the spirit of Christmas, it should be all over the place, shining, and all we could do is our best. So until tomorrow, sleep well. See you tomorrow. Bye, friend.